Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you smoothie enthusiasts and kitchen wizards out there. We're diving into the world of blender accessories, and we're focusing on what could be the best replacement part for your Ninja blender. The 64 ounces replacement container pitcher jar with lid and blade. Let's explore why this might just be the ultimate solution for your blending needs. If you're a fan of Ninja blenders and you're in need of a replacement container, look no further. This 64 ounces replacement container pitcher jar is making waves in the market for all the right reasons. Whether you're blending up your morning smoothie or whipping up a batch of homemade soup, having a reliable container is key to achieving that perfect consistency. And this product promises just that. This container is not just compatible with Ninja blenders, but it's also compatible with a wide range of models, including the 4500, 5000, 5200, 5300, and many more. That means you don't have to worry about whether it'll fit your blender model. Crafted from durable BPA-free plastic and featuring stainless steel blades, this container is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy containers that crack or leak after just a few uses. With its user-friendly design, cleaning this container is a breeze. Simply hand wash it with warm, soapy water, and you're good to go. Equipped with 4 razor-sharp stainless steel blades, this container ensures superior grinding and enhanced flavor in every blend. The tight-fitting lid and pour spout prevent spills and leaks, so you can blend with confidence every time. What sets this replacement container apart is its attention to detail and commitment to quality. From its ergonomic handle design to its openable top lid, every feature is designed with the user in mind. Plus, it comes at a fraction of the cost compared to branded replacements, without compromising on performance. So, if you're in need of a reliable replacement container for your Ninja blender, look no further than this 64 ounces replacement container pitcher jar. With its durable construction, compatibility with a wide range of models, and user-friendly design, it's sure to become an essential tool in your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy blending! Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, take care.